Import the desired images into Photoshop. As you can see, I have imported 2 images, city and jungle. Now I'm going to adjust them side by side. To blend these 2 images, select this jungle image layer which is on top and click on Layer Mask. As you can see, this layer mask is selected. Now head to the left side and select this gradient tool. Make sure this exact setting is selected. Now click on the edge of the image and drag it towards left to start the blend. You can adjust it as per your liking. I think this looks cool.